Do you feel that your clients take you for granted? Or do you feel that your client is not valuing you? If yes, this is the most important video you will watch. Now, why does that happen? Why clients do not value you or they take you for granted? Because we, as a consultant, as a vendor, as a provider of service, we have not taught them how to treat us, because they don't know unless you tell them how you want to be treated. So it may happen that if you get an email from your client, you may want to respond immediately because you think it has come from client, so I should reply immediately. Or maybe if you are getting a call from your client, you may want to respond to it right away because you feel it's client and it's my obligation to respond it right away. That is not the way. If it is not super urgent and you actually know it is urgent, then you may want to take it right now. Otherwise, you can schedule a time for you and you can tell your client that, okay, this is the available slot and we can talk during these hours only. This will ensure that you value your time, and your client will also understand that this person is not only available for me, and they will try to maximize the use of given slot. I hope this video makes sense for you. If you find this valuable, please do like, comment and share, and let me know your thoughts in comment section. If you have any other question for me, do let me know in comment section below. And if you are not comfortable in sharing in public domain, you can directly message me your question and I'll make a video on that. Thank you so much. Bye bye.